had this spoke shaven for almost a year now, and for almost a year it has been screaming at me, can I have some tender loving care? And that is what I'm going to do today. Also, I should probably mention on the back of this spoke shaven it says D Forbes. If you are D Forbes, I have your spoke shaven and I'm really sorry. The first thing to do is clean up the blade. It's not rusty, it's just a bit dirty. So I'm going to use some 120 grit sandpaper just to get this all cleaned up. It's only a tiny little bit of metal, so it really doesn't take long. As you can see, it's not perfect, but it definitely is shinier than before. Now, I did use the grinder to put on a new edge onto the tool, but I forgot to film it, so here is a reconstruction. And now I'm going to lubricate an oil stone with some vegetable oil and then get this tool a little bit sharper. I haven't managed to get it really sharp, so the shavings that it produces aren't amazing and it doesn't leave a particularly smooth finish, but I suppose it is a lot better than before. Now we need to do something about this 100-year-old finish, and my favourite way for removing old wood finish is just to use an old Stanley knife blade and drag it along the grain, and this just removes the top layer of finish. And hopefully now you can see the difference between the old and then the bare wood. And with a coat of boiled linseed oil on it, I think it looks quite nice. I know I've already mentioned the stamp on the back that says D Forbes, but what I'm going to do is I'll go and research this and see if I can try and find out anything about it. If it is just someone's name, then it's incredibly unlikely that I'd actually find out about it, but it might be a tool manufacturer from a very long time ago. And if I do find anything else, I'll put some information down in the description, and I will also do a post on my Instagram page. Thank you as ever for watching, and I will see you on my next video.